to start a motor with ATS01. Hello, this video will guide ATS01 users through the product receipt, reference checking, soft starter mounting and wiring, then commissioning. Product receipt. Ensure that the received ATS01 Soft Starter reference is the same on the product nameplate and on the purchasing order. Product voltage range should be in accordance with the mains and motor used. Mounting. The ATS01 can be mounted using screws or onto a DIN rail. The DIN rail must be 35 mm or 1.38 inches wide. If you don't use a DIN rail, the product must be mounted with M4 screws. For the mounting type and cycle time calculation, refer to the ATS01 catalog. The cycle time must be well calculated to avoid product damage. For side-by-side conditions, refer to the ATS01 catalog. Wiring. The soft starter must be protected against motor short circuit and overload. Refer to the ATS01 catalog for recommended protection devices. We will now wire the product. Refer to the ATS01 instruction sheet for recommendations on cable sections, tightening torques, and wiring diagrams. Warning: make sure the supply voltages used are in accordance with the ATS01 specification, particularly for the control part. Commissioning. Adjust product potentiometer setting according to the application needs, the start time, the stop time, and the initial voltage. Give a run order to start the motor. Full voltage LED indicates that the motor is powered at nominal voltage. Stop the motor by removing the run command. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.